Hello, welcome to this tutorial on newspaper articles. Let's have a go at some practice questions. Pause the video and have a go at answering the two practice questions on the Staffordshire Star newspaper article. When you're ready, press play and we'll go through the questions together. Okay, let's go through question 1. Who was Halley's Comet named after? Staffordshire, a fiery star, Edmund Halley, John Bishop. After skimming and scanning the text, looking for keywords such as Halley's Comet or a name, the third column states the comet takes its name Edmund Halley. Therefore, the answer is option C, Edmund Halley. Well done if you got the correct answer. Let's go through question 2. What day of the week was the comet visible? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let's skim and scan the text for keywords such as comet or a day of the week. We can see that the first paragraph in column 1 states Monday, appearance of Halley's Comet. Therefore, the answer is option B, Monday. Brilliant work if you got the correct answer.
To watch the full video and have a go at our 11 plus practice quizzes, go to ariatuition.com. That wraps up this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.